Maths is easy, maths is fun, it's so simple, it can be done. A very good morning, children. Hope all of you are in best of your health and taking good care of yourself. Today we are going to learn one more interesting facts about maths and especially about multiplication tables. Why multiplication tables are so important in our lives? Because it helps us multiply or calculate the numbers correctly and quickly. We are always tested for two things, accuracy and speed. This interesting fact that we are going to learn today about writing multiplication table will help us achieve both the targets of accuracy and speed. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to write tables of any two-digit numbers, because only when we write the tables we'll be able to learn them and use them in our calculations. So we are going to see some of the examples of writing two-digit tables, how easy it is and how we can use them in our daily life to learn the tables better. So here is the first number. We are going to see how to write the table of 12. So what I have done is I have written the table of the two digits that they are made up of. So 12 is made up of two digits 1 and 2. So what do we do is we write their respective tables. So on the left side is 1. So what I have done, I have written the table of 1 and I have written the table of 2. Now what do we do to get the table of 12? So these two tables gives us the table of 12 and it's very simple. So what do we do? After writing the tables, wherever we see single digit numbers, we simply write them as they are in the same order. That means 1 and 2 here, which means 1 and 2, if we write them together, will give us 12. 12 ones is 12. So 12 ones are 12 that we have seen. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. Here is a change because now we see two-digit numbers coming up. So what do we do? Very simple. So we write the unit place of the right hand side digit. All the numbers that we see on the right hand side, we write the unit place as they are. And what do? We add the tens place with the previous number. And let's see, like what do we get? So 0 we have written, 5 plus 1, 60. So 12 fives are 60, we know that. 12 6 are 2 at unit place, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 at unit place, 7 plus 1, 8. 6 at unit place, 8 plus 1, 9. 8 at unit place, 9 plus 1, 10. And 0 at unit place, 10 plus 2, 12. So if you look at this now, what we have got is we have got the table of 12. Now let's recheck if we have got it correctly or not. So 12 ones 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes 36, 12 fours 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108 and 12 tens are 120. Isn't it very simple to write the table now? Very simple. Now let's check one more table to make you believe that this rule works. So what we are going to do is we are going to write the table of 23, right? So under 20, most of us remember the table somehow. We'll check how to write the table of 23. So what I have done is, as we did here, I have written the table of 2 on the left side and table of 3 on the right side. So what we'll be doing, wherever it's single digit number, we'll be writing them as they are. So 2 and 3 is 23, 46, 69, and from here we see the double digit numbers coming up. So what do? We write the unit place, and what do? We add rest of the digits. Left side digits with the tens place digit. So what do? 5, 2 at unit place, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 at unit place, 10 plus 1, 11, 8 at unit place, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 at unit place, 14 plus 2, 16, 4 at units place, 16 plus 2, 18, 7 at unit place, 18 plus 2, 20, 0 at unit place, 20 plus 3, 23. Now let's check if we have got the table of 23 correctly or not. So let's start from the top and we'll check if we have got the table correctly or not. So 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, 23's threes are 69, 23's 4 are 92, 23's 5s are 115, 23's 6 are 138, 23's 7s are 161, 23 8s are 184, 23 9s are 207, and 23 10s are 230. If you want to check, you can cross check yourself to verify this, and I'm sure like if it is verified, you'll be really glad and happy to learn about this simple fun method to write the table. If you want to check, you can check by writing the table of 99, right? So 99 is made up of 2 9s. So what I have done, I have written the table of 9 on the both sides. And what we'll be doing is, we'll be doing the same thing. Wherever we are getting the single digit, we'll be writing them as they are. And wherever it's double digit, we'll be adding the left hand side and the tens of the right hand side. And we'll be writing the unit place. So here, 99, here, unit place 8, 18 plus 1, 19. 7 at units place, 27 plus 2, 29, 6 at units place, 36 plus 3, 39, 5 at units place, 45 plus 4, 49, 4 at units place, 54 plus 5, 59, 3 at units place, 63 and 6, 69, 2 at units place, 72 plus 7, 79, 1 at units place, 81 plus 8, 89, 0 at units place, 90 plus 9, 99. So we have got the table of 99 within no time. You know the table of 9? You can write the table of 99 very easily. And if you are able to write the table of 99, or for that matter any 2-digit number, it's a lot more easier for us to remember and learn the tables. And if we learn the table, it will make our calculations lot more accurate and fast, right? So here is the method to write the tables of 2-digit number. Please continue to practice with any number, and you can start writing the tables to learn them faster for your benefit. Thank you so much. Hope this has made you understand how to write the tables. We'll meet again in the next class. Until then, take good care of yourself. Thank you.